Hello to all the champions who reached this stage. In this lesson, we will learn how to collect a project. Collect is an action that can be done in cases where we want to send the project to another person to work on it or to send it to the client. The collect operation collects and concentrates all the materials we used in the project in one neat folder. If you ask, why not just send the After Effects file? Because this file contains many assets that we used. Anyone who opens this file without the assets related to the project will see that the project is missing a lot of assets. That means once he opens the project, he will have a lot of missing file errors. And why not just send the entire folder we created on the computer? It can be done, but sometimes we download assets we didn't end up using in the project, and it's unnecessary to send this whole folder containing all the assets we didn't use. Alright, so after we understand that we need to know how to collect, let's get down to learning how to do it. There are some very important actions we need to take before collecting the project. The first thing to do is to organize the project logically and clearly. In our case, this whole part is unnecessary. The animation ends here at the 12th second, meaning the timeline can be shortened to at least 15 seconds. So let's do it. Press Ctrl-K to get to the composition settings, and change the duration to 15 seconds. So now the composition length has been shortened to 15 seconds. The next thing to do before collecting is to clean our project of assets we didn't use. I'll show you what I mean. Please don't do it with me. I'm just showing you the situation and the action to clean up the project. This operation is called Reduce Project. Let's see how it works. Let's say that during my work on this project, I used a certain image. And I also created a precomp called Title. Inside the precomp, there will be a text layer and a picture of the leopard. At the end of the project, I didn't use the precomp I created. I decided to delete it from the main composition. Let's say I would also organize this precomp and put it in the folder where all precomps are. And I'd put the picture in the folder where all the assets in the project are. So the picture is here, and the precomp is here. I will only change the name because we already have a precomp with that name. I'll call it Title Test. When we work on real projects, we insert a lot of assets into the project and create many precomps that we end up not using. And when we finish working on the project and want to make a collect, it is very important to delete all the things we did not use from the project. Remember that the purge operation does not clean the project of unnecessary assets. It cleans the unnecessary data that accumulates behind the scenes of the project. So let's see what cleaning I mean. I need to go to File, Dependencies, Reduce Project. This action will delete all the assets we didn't use in the project. But how does After Effects know what we used and didn't? It's very simple. After Effects will delete everything that does not appear in the composition for which I will do the reduce operation. After Effects sees that I didn't use the title and the image in this composition, so that it will delete them from the project. Let's see how it works. First, I must select the composition I want to reduce in the project panel. If I select this precomp and then make a reduce, After Effects reduce this precomp. And because there is almost nothing in this precomp, everything that appears in the project panel will be deleted. That's why we work in such a way that we have one main composition that contains all the scenes. In our case, it is the composition called Master Comp. Of course, we can delete the things we didn't use manually. For example, I'll open the solids folder and check what I used and didn't. Right-click on the asset and choose to reveal in composition. And now, I see that this asset appears in this composition. You can also check this solid. I see that I also used it, and it appears in 2 compositions. And here I see that this null is not used in any composition and can be deleted. You will agree that it does not make sense to go through manually and check each asset. This is exactly where the reduce action does the job for us. So let's do it. I'll select the master comp, go to File, Dependencies, and click on Reduce Project. Now, After Effects tells me that it deleted 4 files that were not used in the composition I selected. I will click OK, and now I can see that all the files that were not in use have been deleted. Here you can see how it looked before. You see the image, the pre-comp, the null, is deleted. But along with them, the color palette file is also deleted. But wait, I didn't want it to be deleted, because I might still need it in the future, and I also want this file maintained in the collect folder, so the client or the person that needs to work on this project will see the colors I used. I'll press Ctrl-Z to cancel the reduce. So if there is a file that you do want to keep in the project, you can insert it into the composition from which you will make a reduce. And so that it does not appear in the composition, we can turn off this layer, lock it and make it invisible from the layer panel using the Shy option. In this way, this file is in master comp, and it does not disturb us. So now, when I do a reduce, now 3 files have been deleted. And as you can see, the color palette remained in the project. So now, our project is clean of unnecessary files. And now we are allowed to collect it. Let's do it together. Go to File, Dependencies, and select Collect Files. After Effects will ask us if we want to save the project. Let's select Yes. Here we need to select All. You can check this option. It will simply open the folder once the collect is complete. Here we can see the size of the folder that will be created. Now After Effects asks where we want to save the collect folder. We will save the collect folder in the main folder out here. For the name, we can add the word collect. The name that appears here is the name of the After Effects file I'm working on. And now, I'll add an underscore here, and click Save. The Collect folder was automatically opened. It is in the main folder of the project. Because that's what we chose. Let's go into the folder and see what's inside. Here are all the things related to the After Effects file of this project. If we enter the Footage folder, we will see an Assets folder. This is the folder we created within the project itself. A good reason to work with folders within the project itself. If I go into this folder, I can see all the files we used in the project. The song, the Illustrator files, and the logo folder. And there is also the color palette that we decided to keep. The more the project is organized from the inside, the more organized the collect folder will be. And now, you can send the relevant people this folder. You can zip the folder and send it that way. And that's how we collect the project.
That's the end of the last lesson in the course. I really hope you learned something new and most importantly, have fun. I am very proud of you because I know how difficult it is to start learning a new software, especially in the creative field. You are welcome to share your video in our private community group, and of course you can ask me any questions there. I promise to answer any question you may have. I really hope you enjoyed this course and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace out.